Our first use case for federated learning is the reduction of food waste for hotel chains. As step 0, the model architecture is sent from the central organization to all clients. Next, clients contribute with their local data. Every client connects to the platform and upload locally its own data. Second, the training session is launched by the central organization. Following, here we choose the number of rounds. As shown, clients are notified at the start of the federated learning session. Then, in the end of the federated learning session, a notification is sent to all clients, same as their rewarded tokens. Note, the reward is generated based on data size and the number of rounds. Now, we trained our model so the central organization gets the global model weights. As we see, the weights are generated in a folder with global weights, and each weight in each round is sent to clients. After receiving weights, the central organization forecasts the future food quantities to buy. In this phase, clients provide forecasting information such as season, dates, number of clients, etc. The model received forecasts and predicts food quantities. Thank you for your attention.